In order to address the education crisis in America, it is crucial to establish a comprehensive plan that includes investing in teachers, providing adequate resources, and prioritizing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. By ensuring that educators receive proper training and support, we can cultivate a positive learning environment that promotes student success. 10 warning signs of low education can serve as a helpful guide to identifying potential education issues in students. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. 1. Poor reading and writing skills. Reading and writing are essential for success in workplace and personal development. If you're struggling with literacy, consider starting small, focusing on one task at a time, and setting realistic goals. However, it's important to remember that literacy is a skill that can be developed and improved over time. By starting small and focusing on one task at a time, such as reading a few pages of a book or writing a short paragraph, individuals can gradually build their confidence and skills. 2. Lack of critical thinking abilities. Critical thinking enables us to evaluate information, ideas, and arguments objectively. It's crucial to define key terms, use logic, and analyze evidence from multiple perspectives. Developing critical thinking skills is essential for personal and professional success, as it helps individuals to think independently, question assumptions, and differentiate between valid and invalid arguments. 3. Limited vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of language, and a limited vocabulary is a sign of low education. Understanding word meanings and using them correctly in context is crucial for clear communication. In addition to hindering clear communication, a limited vocabulary can also limit one's ability to express thoughts and ideas effectively. It can lead to a lack of confidence in expressing oneself and limit opportunities for personal and professional growth. 4. Inability to comprehend complex concepts. Difficulty with abstract thinking, such as understanding relationships between ideas and cause and effect, can indicate low education. This can be achieved through activities such as reading, engaging in debates, and solving puzzles. Seeking out resources such as educational courses, tutoring, and mentorship can also be beneficial. It's important to be patient and persistent in developing these skills, as it may take time and effort to fully comprehend complex concepts. With the right support and dedication, anyone can improve their ability to understand abstract ideas and achieve their full potential. 5. Difficulty with basic math and problem solving. Math and problem solving skills are essential for success in life. If you're struggling in this area, consider seeking resources online or at your local library. Without the ability to perform basic math operations and solve problems, individuals may find it challenging to manage finances, pursue certain careers, or navigate everyday tasks. 6. Inaccurate information recall. Struggling to recall information can hinder your education progress. To improve, try effective study techniques like active reading or mind mapping. Inaccurate information recall can be a significant obstacle to both academic and professional success. The inability to accurately remember facts, figures, or concepts can lead to poor decision making, ineffective communication, and lower confidence in one's abilities. To overcome this challenge, it is crucial to develop effective study techniques and memory strategies that can strengthen information retention. 7. Limited knowledge of current events. Staying informed about current events is important for personal growth and societal awareness. Make an effort to read the news or watch broadcasts regularly. Limited knowledge of current events can hinder one's ability to engage in meaningful conversations, develop informed opinions, and make educated decisions. Staying up to date with current events is vital for personal growth, professional development, and maintaining a well-rounded understanding of the world. 8. Lack of cultural awareness. Understanding other cultures helps prevent stereotyping and promotes a more inclusive world. Educate yourself about different cultures and their customs. By increasing cultural awareness, individuals can foster empathy, encourage open-mindedness, and promote understanding among diverse groups. 9. Poor communication skills. Communication skills are vital in all aspects of life. If you have trouble communicating, it may indicate a lower education level than you should have. Effective communication is a key component of building relationships, collaborating with others, and conveying ideas and information. 10. Inability to follow written or verbal instructions. Struggling to understand instructions is a common sign of low education. Inability to follow multi-step instructions, solve problems, or recall information might indicate inadequate education. Inability to follow written or verbal instructions can significantly impact a person's personal, academic, and professional life, limiting their ability to perform tasks, collaborate with others, and achieve their goals. Data show that low education is a serious problem in the U.S. Most people in the survey reported having low levels of education. Only about 30 of respondents completed college or graduate school, earning a bachelor's degree or higher. The rest had either some college experience or an associate's degree. This highlights a significant gap in higher education attainment among Americans. Interestingly, even those with higher levels of education can still face financial struggles. While some fortunate individuals secure jobs with salaries of $100 or more, many others grapple with lower salaries due to insufficient experience or skills for certain positions. A concerning factor contributing to these struggles is that industries dominated by male workers may not provide adequate mentorship to young women, fearing that their positions may be threatened. This reluctance to help and uplift others perpetuates a cycle of limited opportunities and personal growth within the workforce. The bottom line: low education is a serious problem in the U.S., with significant consequences for individuals and society as a whole. The lack of critical thinking skills and cultural awareness among Americans poses a threat to our democracy, leading to polarization and a weakened democratic system. Poor reading and writing skills can also have a detrimental impact on health outcomes, hindering individuals from accessing and understanding essential health information. To address this issue, we must invest in our education system to cultivate critical thinking skills, cultural awareness, and literacy, ultimately benefiting both our democracy and public health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. For more great content, visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.